Dear honorable teacher and my fellow batchmate, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Good to see so many people in my talk. So how are you doing all?
You're doing great. How about you?
And I am doing also great by the grace of Allah. Firstly, I am ever grateful to Allah who has kindly allowed me to say something about today's topic. And secondly, I am indeed grateful to Mr. Sojib sir who has helped me to deliver today's topic and before with you. So my today's topic is telling about a situation or a event that I were late in my life. So I am describing this situation. Actually, I may not be the most punctual person in the world. I always try to be on time when I have meeting with somebody for any purpose. So this kind of situation I faced in my life. And actually, when we try to reach or arrive on a time on a situation or on a event, that sometimes it is not luck in our side or some around situation is not good every time. So I faced this kind of situation in last year in my life. And the event and the program was my nephew marriage ceremony. So I have just already mentioned it earlier that I am not be the very punctual person, but I always try to, when I have a schedule, to fix some necessary things or try to take some precautions to arrival on time on this event. So that is the natural flow. And actually now, by the way, I am telling about now about my nephew. My nephew lived a small town which is situated from my hometown to a couple of hundred of kilometers away from where I live in. And at that moment I try to reach there by the flight, but that situation was not our side. At that moment there is no aerial flight available on that time, that I have to choose to go there by the train line. So when I started traveling with the train, once I noticed that our train was not going in regular speed apparently, and I heard that there is some repairing work was going on ahead of the train line of us. So at that moment I think that it will be fine at that moment, but when half an hour passed, that when half an hour passed, I feel that it would be late. So at that moment I feel very frustrated and also be worried about it, because it was very important for me. So at that moment I decided to call to my nephew, and immediately I think that I have to let her to know about this situation. And at that moment I called her to and describe what I faced now, and told her about my situation, and told her that I'm not in good situation and it is already late. And I also told her to my love and my prayer with her, and obviously event running without me. So at that moment, after when I called her, and at several hours later I joined the program. And on this day was very memorable to me, and also for my nephew. So that's I were being late on this program, and this is one of my late program where I live in. So that's for all the timing, guys, and that is it. And thank you very much. And I would like to my next participant to come to here and deliver his speech in front of all of you. Thank you.